Most people think earning more money means they're getting richer. But that's one of the biggest misunderstandings about money. Income is money you receive for work, salary, freelance pay, or business revenue. When you stop working, income usually stops. That's why many people earn well, but still live paycheck to paycheck. Money comes in, but it doesn't stay. Wealth is not how much you earn. Wealth is what you own that keeps producing value. Income depends on your time. Wealth separates money from time. Two people can earn the same income. One builds assets, the other stays dependent on work. Income helps you survive. Wealth gives you freedom. Use income to build wealth. Subscribe for simple money education.